Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in or sign to your Citibank account on iPhone in simplest way. It's super easy, so let's get started. If you don't have the Citibank app yet, open App Store on your iPhone, search for Citi Mobile and download the app. Once it's installed, tap to Citi Mobile icon and open it. On the main screen, you will see a sign in button. Tap to open the login page. In the sign in page, type your Citi user ID. This is the ID you created when first registered your Citibank account online. If you forgot your user ID, tap forgot user ID and follow the instruction to recover it. Next, type your password. Make sure your caps lock is off and avoid extra space. If you forgot your password, tap forgot password and follow the steps to Citibank may ask for extra security verification to protect your account. You might receive a security code via text message, email or the Citi mobile app. Enter the code when prompted to continue. Once done, tap to sign in. You are now logged in on your iPhone. You can check balance, view recent transaction, pay bills, transfer money, manage your account safely and easily. Here are some useful tips. Always use official app or website to stay secure. Never share your user ID or password with anyone. Update the app if it doesn't open and make sure your internet connection is proper. You can also use mobile data if Wi-Fi is not working properly. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.